gosh. Ball gosh? What's ball gosh? Huh. Ball quash.
Hey. Be the single best punch in the world.
It might be, but if you don't get 900, I'll delete the video. Don't worry.
Okay.
Let's see what you got. Oh! Oh!
Gosh.
All right, I'm deleting it.
Delete it. It's okay.
Let's see if we can find the great state of North Carolina. Okay. Let's see. That's South Carolina. This is Virginia. North Carolina's like right here.
There it is.
That's Winston-Salem right there.
Boom.
Kablamo.
And it's in.
That's a little intrusive, but you know what? That's all they had was some big pins, so.
Sometimes it works.
Sometimes it works. All right, this is the great state of Nebraska going in.
Right there.
Give me some of that Cornhusker pride.
Center of it.
Right in the center of the state.
Boom. Center of the map.
Got him. Oh, center of the map. Yeah.
Go Cornhuskers. First punch of the day.
Let's find out who you want to be in Pitzer with.
New world record.
All right.
New world record. I don't know how to believe it. You don't have to do anything.
No, I'm always videoing. Yeah, do a breathe down. Let's see what you got. Dude, you got this whole wind-up thing, man. Maybe I should try.
All right, he's running at it this time. Yeah. And just like that.
Just like that, I did slightly
New world
worse.
record. New world record.
You're not the worst either, are you?
Not the worst. Sometimes you gotta use your tape.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Going in?
I believe that was a cue ball.
No.
That sounds right.
I don't know how to play.
As long as you make a rule and put it out there before anybody else makes a rule that would negate that rule, then it's a good rule.
Yeah.
You want to help me do the color commentary here?
Yeah, he's going for the maroon ball over there. Hits him right now. Cool. See?
Perfect.
Perfect form and everything.
Oh my God!
I am blown away right now.
Well, the ball was blown away too. Jeez.
What do I shoot at?
Not bad.
Whoa! Oh!
That's spin move. Oh yeah, that's money.
There it is.
We all saw it. You called it.
I called it.
Ah, jeez, I distracted you, man. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Oh, it's in. It's in.
He hit mine in. Oh.
Dude. Oh! That's basically what you said you were gonna do!
I did it.
That was sick!
Yeah, I know what it is in for free.
Dude, that was amazing. Dude, the English on that cue ball right there to get in the side pocket?
Yeah.
That was
There's a lot of
money.
luck involved with that shot, but I still don't think
Hey, luck is where opportunity meets determination.
it's going back.
What you gonna do with this one? What? Hey, you called that shot.
I also said he was going to hit it off the table.
Do you consent to being videographed?
Huh?
Do you
You got
consent?
it 2 in a row. Wow.
Do you consent to being videographed?
No.
You don't consent? No. I'm gonna do it anyway. I can get it. You got a shot. Make it happen.
You got a shot.
Perform. What the hell was that? That's how you're gonna perform? Under pressure?
I'm doing great right now.
You are doing great. You're amazing. Man. One opportunity. Would you take it?
You try. Whoa.
Alright, next time. Huh. How does it feel?
It feels alright. I just scored, but the game's still going. Live?
Yep.
Hey, that's in play.
Oh, shoot.
Dude, it is. You know how hard it is to follow this thing?
That's in play. That's in play. You can save it. Save it with the trick shot.
Yeah. That was important.
Thank you so much, Michael.
Dang it, dude. Maybe we should just hit it normal.
No.
Oh. It's a bullseye, baby.
After discovering a massive tunnel near Ronnie and Maria are now following an active game trail.
Dude. I'm not gonna lie. Where did Bort go?
It's in.
Dang it.
I cracked myself up. That's in play.
This.
Did you see those? That was sick.
Yeah. Backwards. Woo!
That's in play.
It's in play, dude. That's so in play. Whoa! Oh, I gotta show him this. That's pretty cool.
Hey, I know you like that. It's in play. It's in play. Oh, that actually was pretty cool. That's in. What's that first comment say? It took me. What was saying in the video? We just thought it was going.
I can hear it, but it's muffled. It sounds like a.
Show me what you got, Gowan.
That's what I got.
See it.
First throw of the day.
Oh, dude, that was sick.
That's all I got. That's all I
That
got.
was sick, man.
That's all I got.
Give me a promo.
Oh, he catches it. Set, boo, 42 set height. He's going back. It's going deep. Boom. Boom. And, oh, he's cannon. Too strong. Too strong. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Oh!
Hey, Gowan, do you consent to being videographed?
Of course.
Okay, good.
I love America.
That's, I'm putting you on the record.
Yeah?
You're on the record for that.
Ooh.
If this is Friday night, I'm bowling. And P.S. If this is Austin,
Ooh, that was good.
I still love you. That's a nice pole, buddy.
Thanks.
You gonna do a little fishing?
We'll see.
Oh! That was close. Let's see what you got. Oh yeah, you really perform under pressure, dude. Dang it. Oh god. That's hard.
You're good.
Oh, jeez, unbelievable.
Well, we're gonna go do some body shred.
Are you gonna get a floaty, dude?
I'm gonna get a little splash on the one, yeah.
Dude, get a floaty.
This one's better. Which one? What's
Where are we going here, baby?
It was sorry that she messed with. You was what put a bullet in your ass. You see